Here are the top 5 HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning manufacturers, along with their approximate revenues and EBITDA. 1. Carrier Global Corporation. Revenue, $21 billion, 2023 EBITDA, $3.6 billion, 2023 Overview. Carrier is a leading global provider of HVAC, refrigeration, and building automation technologies. It has a diverse portfolio with strong brand recognition. 2. Daikin Industries, Limited. Revenue, $31 billion, FY 2023 EBITDA, $4.6 billion, FY 2023 Overview. Daikin is the largest HVAC manufacturer in the world, known for its wide range of products including air conditioners, heating systems, and refrigeration units. The company is headquartered in Japan and has a strong global presence. 3. Trane Technologies plc. Revenue, $17 billion, 2023 EBITDA, $3 billion, 2023 Overview. Trane Technologies is an American manufacturer of HVAC systems and controls. It owns popular brands like Trane and Thermo King and focuses on energy-efficient and sustainable solutions. 4. Johnson Controls International plc. Revenue, $26 billion, 2023 EBITDA, $3.7 billion, 2023 Overview. Johnson Controls is a diversified technology company with a significant portion of its business in HVAC systems, building automation, and energy solutions. It also has a strong presence in the automotive industry. 5. Lennox International Incorporated. Revenue, $5 billion, 2023 EBITDA, $800 million, 2023 Overview. Lennox is a leading American manufacturer specializing in residential and commercial HVAC systems. The company is known for its premium heating, cooling, and refrigeration products. These numbers are estimates based on the latest available data for 2023 and can fluctuate slightly depending on specific market conditions and financial reporting. Please check description for much more content.